everyone? We are back with our fourth Bin-O Cars race. What we're doing is pulling 36 cars out of the bin here I got. We're going to race them. We're going to see who's the fastest, and then we're going to put them up against my top three best of the best. Our reigning champ right now is the orange Lamborghini Estoque. So let's see which one of these guys is going to be today. So here we go. Let's start picking. Let's start with this guy right here, Red Mustang. And this guy. Oh man, that looks fast. Okay, this guy right here too. Looks good. Oh yeah, good there. How about another Mustang? That's a cool looking car. Alright. How about King Kenny? I know this one's fast. This one's gonna win a race or two. That's 6. Big here. What's this guy? He just wants to get away. Oh, blue twin mill. Here. Ooh, looky there. That's a sharp looking car. Let's get right here. Alright. See what I hear about this purple Corvette. That looks cool. A little thing here. I'm gonna pull it. Oh, there we go. How about the Hot Wheels truck? That one's got to be fast, right? We'll see. All right, it's 12. There we go. Good looking Porsche there. Gotta try this yellow Mustang out. All right. What's this guy? Looks like Yellow Lotus. And oh yeah, look at there, Darth Vader. All right, the Rocket League. Okay, keep going. This one looks pretty fast. I know this is a good one here, the Ferrari. Okay, I think we're halfway there. Here we go. Get the No Fear F1 Racer. That's a fast car. Go with this guy. This guy right here. There we go. The old Camaro. Oh, let's get some fast one here. Oh, look at that. Another Cadillac V16. These are usually fast. Let's see what else we got under here. That's a good looking car there. Nice red line wheels. Nitty Gritty Kitty, I think. Yep. Cool car. All right. Gonna go right here for this guy. Number 1 stock car. Oh, let's get it in the middle. Oh, look what we got. Bugatti Veyron. Looks fast. All right. Here we go. Get this guy. Oh, we got a clear speeder. These ones are made for speed. Let's see how this one does. Oh, how about this car here? This car looks pretty fancy. All right. So I think we need 6 more. Let's do some digging. This guy. Is that 16 Angels? Yep. Hot Wheels fantasy car. Usually fast. Alright, stick in here. Oh, there we go. The old hot tub. Oh, this is got the FTE wheels on it too. This one's supposed to be real fast. Alright. Couple more here. There we go. Corvette. Dig in here. Another way too fast. Two more. How about this guy right here? Jaguar. Alright. Last one. Oh, let's try this guy right here. This school bus. Alright. Got our cars. Alright, we're going to put them in a random order and line them up and race them. Well, here we go. Okay, our first group set up and ready to run. In lane 1 we get the Dodge Challenger drift car. In lane 2 we got the Lotus Esprit S1. In lane 3 we got the 68 Mustang convertible. In lane 4 we got the Gazella GT. In lane 5 we got the Ferrari 288. In lane 6 we got the Hot Wheels Stalker. Who are you liking? I think I'm gonna have to go with the Ferrari on this one. Let's race. Okay, race time. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that! The Gazella GT. Gazella GT. Next race is ready to go. In lane 1, we get the Jaguar J220. In lane 2, we get the Way Too Fast. In lane 3, we got the 67 Camaro. In lane 4, we got the Twin Mill. In lane 5, we got the Rise and Climb. In lane 6, we got the F1 Racer. Who you like in here? I think I gotta go with the Way Too Fast. Let's see. Okay, let's race. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the F1. Oh, look at that. Rise and Climb coming from behind. Oh, look at that. Rise and Climb coming from behind. Okay, next race is up and ready. In lane 1, we got Darth Vader. In lane 2, we got 16 Angels. Lane 3, the 96 Chevy pickup Hot Wheels racing team. In lane 4, the Porsche 911 GT3. In lane 5, we got the Nightburner. In lane 6, the Corvette. My money, I gotta go with Darth Vader. Let's race. Race time. 3, 2, 1. Sniper. Oh, look at that. 16 Angels. Sniper. Oh, look at that. 16 Angels. Okay, next race is up and ready. We're halfway through. In lane 1, we got the hot tub with the FTE wheels. In lane 2, we got the clear speeder. Lane 3, 68 Mustang. Lane 4, Lotus Esprit. Lane 5, the Bugatti Veyron. And lane 6, the school bus. I think I gotta go with the hot tub on this one. I know it's fast. Let's race. Race time. 3, 2, 1. Bugatti's out. Oh, it was the hot tub.
Winner, lane one.
Bugatti's out. Oh, it was the hot tub.
Winner, lane one.
Okay, we're ready to go here. Lane 1, we got the Cadillac V16. Lane 2, Corvette C6. Lane 3, the 81 Camaro. Lane 4, the 68 Dodge Dart. Lane 5, the Lumina Stalker. And lane 6, the low carbs. I think this is going to be a good race. Not sure what to pick here. I think I'm going to go with the Lumina Stalker. Let's race. Okay, race time. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh no, look at that!
Winner, lane two.
Wow. Oh yeah. Oh no.
Winner, lane two.
Wow. Okay, last race of the semifinals is up and ready. In lane 1, we got the No Fear F1 Racer. Lane 2, the O2 BMW. Lane 3, we got the Nitty Gritty Kitty. In lane 4, we got the 67 GT500. In lane 5, we got the Collator. In lane 6, we got the King Kenny Funny Car. Who you liking? I know everybody thinks that King Kenny is one of the fastest. I think that's what I'm going with, King Kenny. Let's race. Okay, race time. 3, 2, 1. Oh, King Kenny's out on the big lead. Oh yeah.
Winner, lane six.
King Kenny's out on the big lead.
Winner, lane six.
Okay, championship race is up and ready. Winner of this gets to take on my champs. This should be a good one. Lane 1, we got 16 Angels. Lane 2, the hot tub with the FTE wheels. In lane 3, Gazella GT. In lane 4, the Corvette C6. In lane 5, the King Kenny Funny Car. In lane 6, we got the Rise and Climb. This could be anybody's race. I think I'm going to go with King Kenny. Let's race. Okay, championship race. 3, 2, 1. Oh, who is it? Lane 3, the Gazelle GT.
Lane three.
Oh, who is it? Lane 3, the Gazelle GT.
Lane three.
Okay, here's our winner, the Gazelle GT, getting his shot at our best of the best here. In lane 1, my current number 3 is the Firebird Funny Car. Lane 2 is the Gazelle GT. In lane 5 is our current champ, the orange Lamborghini Estoque. And in lane 6, we got our current number 2, which is the black Ferrari F40. Let's see if the Gazelle's got what it takes. My money, going with the Ferrari. Let's race. Alright, the Gazella GT for the title. 3, 2, 1. It is the Ferrari taking the top spot.
Six.
It is the Ferrari taking the top spot.
Six.
Okay, here's our Ferrari F40. Took the top spot back again from the orange Lamborghini Stoke. Gazella GT didn't have what it takes to at least get into the top 3, but it's still a fast car. But here's our new champ, the black Ferrari F40. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and please watch out for all my custom cars and redline restorations. Thanks again. See ya.